Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Amazon discount code. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to copy Amazon discount code, or you can search on Google directly by typing Amazon discount code and hit enter. So you need to scroll down and you can see different websites. So you simply need to open any website from here and you can see different codes here, and here you can see $10 off and different codes. You simply need to click on see code, and now you can see code here. You simply need to copy that code from here. Okay, and after that you need to go onto the checkout page, and after that you need to apply that code to get the discount. So this is a process by which you can find Amazon discount code. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.